Okay, so yes, I was right, it's the glider for him. I still can't remember his name, which is really bad, but the glider's cool. I like that. That's kind of completes it a little bit really, which is nice. Nice festive-y colours for the glider as well. Reds and greens and whites, of course. So that's good. Fireplace with collectible tile. So that's awesome. Bit of brickness. Bit of brickness. Little Christmas tree for the city set. Okay, there we go. So that's awesome. Another little tiny Christmas tree, go inside a house or something. And then the minifig for Star Wars, so festive. Can't believe how festive these are. The Star Wars set has been so festive. Not. Anywho, day 20 done. Next up, day 21. Wow, 21, 22, 23. Ooh, okay. Nearly there. Like, subscribe, comment. Thank you very much. Appreciate your support. And I'll see you in the next one. Thank you, bye-bye. Right then, here we go. It's day 20. Wow. Day 20. Awesome. Okay. Day 20. Here we go. Let's have a look. Harry Potter. What have we got, Harry? We've got a little fireplace. Okay. With one of the mystery tiles. So that's cool. All right. Thank you very much, Mr. Harold Potter. And then Marvel. What do we have for Marvel? Marvel 2020. Here we go. And for Marvel, we have, oh, it looks like the glider. Yeah, I think the glider. Okay. And then Star Wars. It's another ship. I'm going to throw the box away. Please don't be another ship. It's not. Good job. Awesome. It's a minifig. Again, not Christmas related. Right, city. 20th. Okay. Here we go. We've got a Christmas tree. Okay, cool. Another Christmas tree, but not from this set. This is the first Christmas tree in this set. So, gonna build them, and I'll be back shortly. Smash the like button, comment, subscribe. As I always say, I'll see you in a bit.